In today's video, we're going to be repairing the shore power hatch, and as you can see, the cover on it, the door is broke off. We'll be removing that and installing a new one. That way it can keep from getting small animals in there, such as squirrels, rats, mice, chipmunks, stuff like that. First, I'll show you the parts I'm going to use and the tools, and then we'll get to the install. For the tools and parts today, you're going to need a new hatch. Bought that on Amazon for around $9. I'll put links in the description. You need butyl tape to seal around it, keep moisture out. Also bought that on Amazon, about $14. I'll put a link in the description to that. Need a Phillips head screwdriver and something to scrape the old sealant off with. Alright, let's get to work. So the first thing you're going to want to do is pull some of this out and then remove the screws. On mine, I've got 3 screws. One, two, and 3. Then you'll want to take your putty remover, get behind it, pry it out, and voila, the old one's out. And just remove the old putty. Next, you'll want to cut the butyl tape into sections so you can put it around where the new one's going. Shape it around there and go all the way around with that. Small update for the last video for anybody interested. Soon after I finished making the video, it started raining, and the Flex Seal worked. I had a dry camper. So it is okay to overlap this stuff. I'm going to get a good seal. Alright, now that you've got that all done, take the old hatch off and put the new hatch on. To do that, just push it through. Like that. Take your screws, try to line them up with the screw holes. They're not easy. It's not easy to do because you can't see it because of butyl tape. I believe I've got that one. That one. You take your screwdriver, tighten your screws down. And now tighten down the last screw. Once you got those all tightened down, go ahead and make sure that putty fills in all the gaps. If any gaps will leak water. Water's not good for a pop-up. Even on the bottom, make sure it's nice and sealed. Water can find a way to get in the bottom. And once that's all done, push your cord back in. Close the door. And voila, we're done. Hopefully that was easy to follow. If you've done this before or you have one that needs doing, please comment in the comment section. And I'll be back with another video sometime in the future. Say hi. Say hi, Cesare.